Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal University School, Deshi. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 10, Theorem 1. Chapter 10, Theorem 1. This is our today's topic. Dear students, I will solve or I will prove Theorem 1 in our today's class. So let us see at first what is Theorem 1. Theorem 1. If two sides and the angle included between them of a triangle are equal to two corresponding sides and the angle included between them of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. It means that when two sides of a triangle will be equal to two corresponding sides of another triangle and the included angle by the two sides of the first triangle will be equal to the included angle by the two sides of the second triangle will be also equal. It means when the two angles also will be equal, it means included angles are equal, then the triangles are congruent. So we need to prove that in this case the two triangles are congruent. Okay, dear students, so let us see how can we prove. To prove this, at first we have to draw two triangles. Suppose here ABC and DEF be two triangle. In these two triangles, two sides AB and AC are equal to DE and DF. It means that we can say AB equal to DE and AC equal to DF. Included angle by the side AB and AC is angle BAC and included angle by the side DE and DF is EDF. If the angle BAC and EDF are equal, then we need to prove these two triangles ABC and DEF are congruent. Okay, dear students, so we can write the particular enunciation at first. We can write particular enunciation. What is the particular enunciation? In the particular enunciation, we have to describe the statement according to the figure. We have to write here. So we can write here in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we can write here. Here two sides are equal. It means that AB equal to DE and AC equal to DF. So we can write here AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF. AB equal to DE and AC equal to DF. It means corresponding sides are equal here. And the included angle is BAC of the sides AB and AC. Included and the included angle BAC is equal to the included angle EDF. Included angle EDF. Here is BAC means this angle and EDF means this angle. These two angles are included angles and these two angles are equal. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. We need to prove that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Dear students, here to prove this, construction is not needed here. From the given figure we can prove. So we can write here directly proof. In proof, we have to write the steps in the left side and we have to write the justification in the right side. In case of justification, just I will give the side note to write the justification. Here in the first step we can write here, we can place the triangle ABC on the triangle DEF so that the point A falls on the point D. The side AB along the side DE. So we can write here, place triangle ABC on triangle DEF. Place triangle ABC on triangle DEF so that the point A falls on, so that the point A falls on the point D. The side AB along the side DE. So the point O falls on the point D and the side AB along the side DE. As the side AB and DE are equal, as the side AB and DE are equal, and we can say when point A fall on point D, point B fall on point E, and the side AB fall on point DE, then the point C falls on, the point C must falls on the side DE as F. So we can write here, and C falls on the same side, and the point C falls on the same side of DE. Point C falls on the same side of DE as F. DE as F. It means that the point F is in the side of DE. In that side, the point C will falls on. Okay. Now we can say as AB equal to DE. Now as AB is equal to DE, as AB and DE are equal and A falls on D, so we can say the point B must coincides with the point E. So we can say as AB equal to DE, the point B must coincides the point B must coincide with the point E. It means that the point B will falls on E. The point B must falls on E. It means AB and DE will match totally. Okay, then we can go to the second step. Step 2. What is step 2? In case of step 2, we can say here as AB as AB along the side DE and angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. So AC must falls on DF. AC must falls on DF. So we can write again, since AB falls on DE, since AB falls on DE and angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. Angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. So we can say the side AC AC must fall along DF. AC must fall along DF. So we can write here AC falls along DF. AC falls along DF. Now step 3. Dear students, now if you notice here, you know that the side AC and DF are equal. The side AC and DF are equal. So we can say here C must falls on F. It means that C coincide F. So we can write here now, since AC equal to DF, AC is equal to DF. Since AC and DF are equal, we can say the point C must coincide. The point C must coincide the point F. Now if you notice here, the point B coincide with point E, the point C coincide with point F. So BC must coincide with AF. BC must coincide with AF. So we can write, since B coincide with E, step 4. B coincides with E and C coincides with the point F. So BC must coincide with EF. BC must coincide with EF. Hence, as BC must coincide with EF, hence we can say here, how can we say this? Can we say from congruency of line segment or congruency of sides. Congruency of sides. Here first one we also say here, this region is also congruency of congruency of side. And this one we can say here as angle is used, so we can say congruency of angle, according to congruency of angle. This one congruency of angle, not this one congruency of side, previous one congruency of side, this one. Congruency of sides. Here is congruency of angles. These are the justification I have written here. Okay, dear students, so we can say since B coincides with E, C coincides with F, BC, B coincide with E, C coincide with F, so BC must coincide with EF. BC must coincide with EF. So we can say the triangle ABC coincides with the triangle DEF. So we can say hence triangle ABC coincides with triangle DEF. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Dear students, if you notice the proof in your book, this triangle sign is not given in your book, but you have to give. Okay, dear students, the proof is done. What we need to prove? We need to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. I have proved triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, dear students, so proof is done. I hope you have understood how to prove. Again, I am explaining. Here in step 2, I have written here congruency of side. In step 1, I have written congruency of side. As I have written here, AB equal to DE. These two sides are equal. This means the congruency of side. And here in step 2, I have written the angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. It means that here these two angles are equal. From the congruency of angles, we can say this. And in step 3, we have used these two sides AC equal to DF. So again we can say here this we obtained from congruency of side. This means the sides are equal. Okay, dear students, now you will try to understand this one and learn this one properly. Read very carefully. Okay, dear students, now see, this is your homework 14, CW to HW. It means that this theorem 1 is given for your homework. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.